I'm vlogging again today. I fully just woke up and got in the shower. It's like 12 o'clock p.m. I just got out of the shower and there's moisturizer on my face. That's why I look like, look, that's why I look like this. But me and my father are going to the shooting range. Then I think we're going to get lunch and then we're going to go on a hike through the woods. And I have this hat because it completes my outfit. Like once my face dries, I'm gonna take my hair down. Put this hat on and yeah, let's see where the day takes us. I'm at my father's house. Somebody, I don't know who that is, but I'm not speaking. Bro, don't you hate when that happens? Like, your parents, like, always love to have company. I always want you to meet somebody. No! I don't know these people. I don't care to talk to them. Like, sorry. Sorry if that makes me a bitch, but I'm not into it. I'm not into... Oh, we ain't with the socials! Like, ugh. My eyebrows look a mess. I don't care about life right now. That's why my eyebrows look like these, but... We're giving tomboy today, like my masculine and feminine energies battling it out. Okay, who the fuck is here? Who's here? Who's here? I brought 2 jackets because we're going hiking allegedly. We'll see what we really do, but I brought a crew neck and a jean jacket. We shall see. I'm finna get on his ass. Look at him in his red. A mess. With your red shoes.
This sound look good.
With your color coordinating.
Huh?
With your lavender. Go and be
great
with your lavender.
Pop. You flop, Pop. I mean, is that so bad?
I don't know who told you wrong. Which you're not. What are you doing? Pick? No.
I got a little breakfast before we go.
I just woke up. What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Don't blog me.
Why? You swear you're pretty.
You want to
Shoot. The second rule is always keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot. Now, if you're renting a gun from us and you're not familiar...
This is the other gun that I suggest you get. Got Troy shooting the M&P 380 Easy. I think this is out of the ones I got here today, it will be this one.
What
The
is
Springfield 1911, 9mm 1911. This is about a $900 gun.
this? And that's the one I don't like.
That's the one you don't like.
Because I can't shoot it.
Because you just started shooting. Once you start the shooting and you learn how to shoot guns, I can get you in here shooting a 45 that's just like this one, and you would love it. You would love this one once you learn how to shoot it. You know why? Don't mess with Troy's dad. And your parents give you a gun. Go ahead. Anything to say to your family?
I'm good.
Jammed on me.
Okay, we just got out of the shooting range.
Gotta pull my britches up.
How was it? Did you have fun?
Well, you know,
Well,
I'm such a great instructor, and working with a student that started jumping time they got out of the car and flexing and afraid. So yeah, I had a good time, pretty much.
speaking of guns, let's do a story time. Are you ready?
Sure.
Can you close the door?
Story time.
You gotta get in the car.
Once upon a time.
No, listen, we're gonna do a story time. I'm telling you this how it
Are
works.
we recording?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Once
No,
upon a time-
listen. I'm gonna tell you. Remember that one time you almost shot me?
No.
Okay. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning. I was going downstairs and you had your golf caddy in the way, and I was like bumping over it, like making a bunch of noise.
Yeah.
And you came around the corner with a gun with a laser on it. It was like flashing green, and there was a red.
Kinda.
And you almost shot me, and that's what happened.
Did I miss?
You didn't shoot. I was like, "Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me!"
Oh.
And that's what happened. Do you not remember that?
No.
That was very traumatizing.
Well, you're very fortunate that you didn't get shot, because you shouldn't have been up bumping around anyway. You should have been in bed where you were supposed to be.
So that was a story time when I almost got shot.
Okay, yeah. You're lucky. You're welcome.
Do you have anything to say for yourself?
Yep, you get to be here and talk about it today. That's a good story.
Do
Good
we look
ending.
alike?
That's what people say. That means if you look like me, that means you're pretty good looking.
I have a big nose.
You do?
Because of you.
Get surgery.
I am. I swear I am.
Okay. I like my nose.
I don't.
Huh?
I don't.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't let it happen again.
Okay. Promise. I'm done.
Well, we're about to make a pizza, and this is a lighter for the pizza grill.
Slick. I know.
What?
I know. Slick. Yeah.
Like what?
It's just heating up.
Okay, how long does it take?
I'm environmental, man. Get back. That's good. This right here. I don't want to warn the environment with all those toxic lighter fluids and all that other stuff. I'm an environmentalist. Take my picture. I'm cool like that. Echo, play Usher.
Now we're cooking. I'm about to make the guacamole and open this chicken. Update on the cooking. I was making guacamole and I cut my finger because he has the wrong knife out here. I'm sitting here trying to cut up an avocado.
Oh, that's why.
Yes. And so
I haven't cut my hand.
my finger's bleeding.
I haven't cut my fingers.
This is the guacamole thanks to me.
Troy cut her hand.
Oh no.
I am docking the pizza.
Why is it so small?
That's just the way it starts out.
You told me to vlog this, so it better be interesting. I thought you were about to throw it up.
If I throw it, I'm gonna throw it and hit you in the head.
That was so anticlimactic. Do you really know what you're doing? Have you done this before?
To be a consultant with Domino's.
Oh. Congrats.
Gotta spin the pizza. It's actually turning.
Hurry up.
Why?
Because
You can stop now.
You're not doing-
So it's not the old-fashioned blog.
No, I'm not typing anything.
Vloggy.
Oh, you vlogging. Excuse me, vloggy. Go ahead and vloggy.
You have the sound down so it's not being recorded.
Oh, why you gotta be ugly? That's round. You get a DiGiorno's.
Stop getting excited.
And how long is this gonna take to cook?
10 minutes.
Are the wings almost ready? What do you have to say for yourself?
you know, I'm gonna say sit down at the table, let the work speak for itself. Everybody gets quiet. That's an indication.
Okay, I'm going home. I told my dad we had to end the vlog, and he told me to shut up, which was rude. We have to get in the light. Get in the light. It's been a fun day. It was successful. Do you agree?
Can I get back with you on that?
Sure. Okay.